Hello friends, in the previous lecture we were discussing about the features and fastenings of the doors and windows, in which the types of hinges that we have already discussed in the last lecture. So the next type of feature is bolts. So the door or window bolts are used to provide security for the rooms. And different types of bolts are described here, and we will see one by one. The first type of bolt is hook and eye type bolt. Okay, this type of bolt is used to keep the windows shutter in required position when it is open. Hook is fixed to the shutter frame and eye is fixed to the window rail. Okay, so this is the first type of bolt, that is hook or eye type bolts. Then the second type of bolt is flush bolt. In case of flush bolt, the bolt flush is designed to keep with the face of the door. It is designed to keep with face of the door. Then the third type of bolt is all drop bolt. All drop bolt. Okay, all drop bolt is olden type and most common type of bolt, as we all know about it. This the picture uh, clears all things. Okay, these pictures provided for your knowledge as such type of bolts we are discussing. All drop bolt is a very olden type of bolt, and it is very commonly used. To lock this bolt, padlocks are used. These padlocks are used. It is used for external opening face of the shutter. It is fixed on the lock rail. And basically, it is fixed to the lock rail. The lock rail is the intermediate rail. Then the next of type of bolt is this barrel bolt. It is made up of steel, brass or aluminum type. To fix the back face of doors, barrel bolts are used. Okay, barrel bolts to fix the back face of the door, barrel bolts are used. Okay, these are basically provided for the internal face, provided at the internal face of the door. It contains socket and plate. Socket is fixed to the frame and plate is fixed to the back face of door. Okay, here it may be fixed top and bottom side of the shutter, as we also known about these things. Everyone might be seen in our door this type of bolts, barrel type of bolts may be fixed at the top or at the bottom from the inner side, okay, of the door, and it is made up of steel, brass or aluminum. The materials used for the making of these type of bolts are, it may be steel, brass, aluminum, etc. Okay, then the next type of bolt, sixth, handles. Okay, handles are used to open or close the door or windows. Okay, these are the types of handles, and these are there are many types of handles are available. Some of them are bow type, lever handle, door handle, wardrobe handle. Okay, as you can see in these pictures. Then next, locks used for doors and windows are many types, and some of them are padlock, mortise lock, rim lock, cupboard lock, and lever handle lock, etc. Okay, these are the types of lock. Okay, padlock, mortise lock, rim lock, cupboard lock, and lever handle lock, etc. These are the pictures of these types of locks. Then next, the the features and fastenings for doors and windows can be of iron, or it may made from brass or aluminum. Okay, the features and fastenings are available in different shapes and sizes to suit the requirements of different sizes and types of doors and windows. The features and fastenings should be employed after considering several factors such as effectiveness, appearance, durability, cost, working operation, safety against burglar, weather effect, materials. All these parameters must be considered while choosing these types of features of fastenings for the fixing of particular type of doors or windows. It is, however, important to ensure that the item should be reasonably smooth and free from sharp edges and comers. The number and location of features should be decided by architect and engineer. Okay. Then the next parameter, the very important terms we have to discuss here. The first one is sill, which is provided at the bottom of windows here, and the second thing is lintel. Lintels are provided at the top of the window. This is lintel, and here is sill. Okay, so again, the all description of the lintels or sills is shown in this concept diagram. First of all, building construction, then building components. In building components, we are studying the openings, and the openings are having two types: doors and windows. Okay, for doors, in case of doors, only lintels are provided. Okay, lintels are provided at the top of doors as well as windows. Okay, just clear this concept diagram. Doors, for doors, lintels are provided at top, as well as for windows, the lintels are provided at the top. And sills are provided uh, at the bottom of windows. Okay, sills are provided only for the windows, and they are always provided at the bottom of the window. And the lintels are also termed as weather shade or chhajja. Weather shade or sunshade or chhajja, all these are provided at the lintel level. Our chhajja or weather shade or sunshade is fixed with the lintel. Okay, so this is the concept diagram showing all these things. So first we will see window sill. Window sill, the lintel, or basically here sill. A sill is a structural horizontal block that spans the space or opening between two vertical supports. Okay. Functions of sill. The following functions are there of the window sills to give suitable finish to the opening. The major purpose of providing the sill is to give the suitable finish to the opening. Then avoid the entry of moisture inside the structure, that is another important purpose. And it can be a decorative and architectural element. Okay, that means it overall look of that window is also depend on the sill. On the materials used for the window sill are, the sills are made up from very different materials such as wood, wooden materials, concrete, and artificial stone. All these are materials can be used as a sill material. The sophisticated look can be made by polished kadapa or marble or granite. Okay, all these special materials also used for making the sill. Then the precautions to be taken while construction of window sill. It is again very important in case of while constructing the window sill. Some precautions need to be taken. It is necessary to take some precautions. Proper and suitable finish should be given to top surface and window sill. Okay, proper and suitable finish. The projection of window sill on the external wall should not be less than 50 mm. Then proper slope should be provided to external top surface of projection to prevent entry of rainwater inside the portion of the opening. Okay, these some precautions need to be taken while providing the uh, window sills. Okay, so uh, this is all about for this lecture. We will continue with lintel in the next lecture. Thank you.